हे एवरीवन, होप ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज मैं करने जा रही हूँ एक सिंपल सा मेकअप। आई एम ऑल्सो ए बिगिनर, सो मुझे भी इतनी अच्छी तरह से नहीं आती, बस आप लोगों के साथ मैं भी शेयर करना चाहती थी। आई होप ये वीडियो आप लोगों को अच्छा लगेगा। First of all, I'm gonna do the skincare. For skincare, I'm applying the plum rice water and niacinamide toner, which is my absolute favorite, and then this plum rice water and niacinamide gel moisturizer, which is very good for oily skin and those who have acne. I learned that for good makeup base it is necessary to use a primer, or it's important. So I am using this London Glow primer, which is very good. For foundation, I am using this Blue Heaven Hyper Matte foundation, and my shade is, I think, Honey 301 and medium golden yellow. This foundation gives medium coverage and it blends so easily. I don't have any concealer, that's why I am using this foundation again on my under eye to cover. Using this Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil. Again using this very beautiful eyeshadow palette from Mars. It has 12 beautiful shades, very colorful. This eyeshadow palette is very pigmented. Using these two blush, one is from Inside Lip and Cheek Tint. And again using this Swiss Beauty Sekita blush, and I learned somewhere the hack to apply the blush. Using this Swiss Beauty Crease eyeliner. So yeah, that's my final look. All product link will be given on description if you wanna try this product.